Hello everyone, now we're at balloon mass machines. Now we're gonna talk about the beads engraving machines. We have here the double head machines. It's working only on beads and small balls, as we can see in here, and beads and gold small balls like we will see in here. We can make some designs on the balls. We can make like using this head and the other head. The other head is making like circle designs, and this head can make like straight lines design. So today we're gonna talk about all of the machines, and we can make some designs using this head. So today this machine is like the two-head machine, as we call it. It's like have two engine in here. In here we can make the speeds of the machine. We can make it up to 50,000. And we can make it to 0. In here we can choose which engine we're gonna choose, the direction of the engine that we're gonna use. So in here, these like the setting option. In here we have like the stop, necessary stop machines. In here we can put the balls. You can put the beads in here. As you can see, this is the head. From here we can choose the angle for the head. Like if we want to make the engraving from this side or from this side on the balls. In here also we can go left and right. It depends on the model that we're gonna make. And from here you can go like to the other side of the balls itself. From here it's going up and down just to reach the pin itself. And that's all about the machines for now that we should know. Now let's start making our design. So the design we're gonna make, it's like small lines with each other, as we were gonna show. So for this thing, we're gonna use a special pin from our balloon mass pins. It's 2 milli 5 lines. It gives 5 lines with each other. So now we're gonna see. So now we're gonna replace this pin 1 JV with the one we're gonna use. Also, before starting the machine, you have to make sure like the pin head is going on the same side that the machine is going to. As we said, from here you can choose the direction. Let's say, as you can see from here, you can choose the direction for the pin. Let's put it on 2 as a trial and make it going very slow. So the machine is going on the wrong side. Yeah. So now we're gonna put it to the other direction and see about it, like how it's going. So now the head is good. This way the diamond will not be any affected by our work. So in this thing, and then from here you can put the degree. For now, for our design, we will keep it on 0, so we can start the design. Also, we will try to make X's from the lines from this model. So we have to manage it to be in the middle of the ball. Okay, for now, the head is in the center of the ball. So we can start the design. Okay, let's start the machine. The machine is supposed to be between 35,000 and 50,000, not to get our diamond broken or anything from our design. So now let's put it on 50,000. Okay, so for now we kept it at number 6 in here. So now we kept this side at 6 because we wanted to make it the line in an angle. For now we want to make the sides also. Sides from here. It's supposed to be 90 degree. We put it to 0, as you can see. So now we're gonna try to make the design on the sides of the balls. So we're gonna make some adjustment to the angle and to the position of the ball, the bed. The most important thing while adjusting the settings is not to hit the head of the apartment. So now we're making the adjustment for the part. It's supposed to be around 90 degree on the bed. So for now we make the designs on the middle of it. The line was like in an angle. Now we're trying to make the sides of the balls. So we're gonna try to change. Now we choose 2 millimeter, 5 lines on each 2 millimeters. Now we will choose 3 lines. These 3 lines, the line will be like more apart. Like in 2 millimeters, you have only 3 lines. This will give more looks to the ball. As I said, if you are gonna make like a lot of design, like a lot of balls design, you can just make the first, for example, this design on like 100 balls, let's say. After that, we can put the other pen and resume the design on all of the balls. You're not supposed to just make one design by time. You can make many balls and on each design, because the adjustment of the machine may take a bit of time. So that way you can design, you can make like more than ball at the time. So now we will continue on the design. We will adjust the angle. And now we will start on the side of the balls. Let's start also. As you see, we finished the first side. We're gonna put the other side. You can adjust it by adjust the angle from here, as we talked before, like put it to the other side, or I prefer just to flip the ball itself. Just put it on the other side. So the angle and the adjustment all the same, as you can see. And we can continue our work from the other side. For now, as we can see, we finished our model. We can now see the model in here. This is the model as we did it. You see in the center, the lines are very close to each other because we have like five lines in every 2 milli. But in the side, it's a bit wider because we used like the 3 milli for each 2 millimeter. It's a nice design, and you can, like as I said, design the middle for like many balls, and then we can make the sides for them less time. So as we talked about this machine, the double head machine, it's engraving for bids and everything. So now every details, I try to explain every details about it. For more details and more like the price things and everything, you can contact us. We will put our numbers and email under this video, and hopefully we will see you again in next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.